Universal Hinge brand bolt-on hinge, installation and operation. Remove 2 existing studs. Wire brush the bolt holes in the cover and flange. The expandable fastening pin. Insert the expandable pin into the flange bolt holes. Install the flange hinge plate onto the flange. Insert the expandable pin into the cover bolt holes. Install the cover hinge plate onto the cover. Hand tighten the pin nuts on the pins. Insert the hinge pins. Tighten the expandable pin nuts to the specified torque. Tighten the hinge pin nuts to the specified torque. Removal of all cover studs. Open the cover just as you would a door. After inspection or maintenance, close the cover. Install all the cover studs to fix the cover to the flange. The Universal Hinge brand bolt-on hinge can safely and conveniently open and close the covers in your facility. For safety's sake, use our bolt-on hinge.